So my research question asks, how have public attitudes, political campaigns, and world events contributed to changes in American immigration law and policy over time? So using the ProQuest database, I might search something similar to American immigration law. Now, with no other parameters in my search, I get a wide range of different types of sources, such as scholarly journals, magazines, and books. Now, if I would like to look for a more specific search with more parameters, I could do, for example, limit my search to sources that have the full text available, meaning I could view it in its totality via this database. So that limits my search somewhat. But if I wanted to be even more specific than that, I can go back, and even by searching the same thing, American immigration law, let's say I'm looking at recent changes and trends. I could change my publication date to within the last 12 months. If I want something such as a source from a book, a magazine, or a trade journal, I could do that. And again, a much more specific and different group of sources, all published within the last 12 months. Finally, if I would like to cite one of my sources, such as this one here, or perhaps this source from the magazine, I can click this button here that says Cite. I am choosing to do mine in the 17th edition of the Chicago style. This produces to me a bibliographic note for that source. One other interesting function of this database would be the ability to use and, or not in my search. So let's say I'm looking for sources that talk about the Nixon administration in relation to immigration. I might say immigration and Nixon. These will look for sources that use the word both Nixon and immigration. Another function would be looking for immigration articles that do not mention the current president. And there are plenty of sources like that. So this database has plenty of good functions that help me to narrow down my search and be more specific and targeted with my sources and my research. Thank you.